Best roof materials for hurricane climates. Hello everyone, welcome back to Energy Advantage, your trusted source for everything roofing. Today, we are tackling the topic of utmost importance. The best roofs for hurricane-prone climates. If you live in an area where hurricanes are a concern, you know how crucial it is to have a sturdy, hurricane-proof roof. In this video, we're diving into the different roofing materials and underlayment options that are best for hurricane climates. We'll also take a look at the materials that you should avoid. So let's get started. When it comes to choosing the right roofing materials for a hurricane-prone climate, durability and wind resistance are paramount. Here are some top choices. Metal roofs. So when it comes to metal roofs, the best choice is steel and aluminum. They are excellent for hurricane-prone climates. They are highly wind resistant and they can withstand debris impact. Concrete and clay tiles. These materials are heavy and can endure heavy winds. Clay tiles in particular, they have a timeless and elegant look. Slate. Slate roofs are known for their longevity and ability to withstand severe weather conditions, including hurricanes. Impact-resistant shingles. Some asphalt shingles are designed to be impact-resistant, making them sustainable for hurricane-prone climates. Now let's talk about why these materials are necessary if you live in a hurricane-prone area. Listen, your roof needs to be a fortress, okay? It needs to protect your home. And these materials are designed to just do that. Why are these materials necessary? Choosing the right materials isn't just about protecting your property. It's also about safeguarding your loved ones and your investments. Here's why these materials are essential. Wind resistance. Metal tile and slate roofs are engineered to withstand high winds, reducing the risk of roof damage during a hurricane. Impact resistance. Impact-resistant shingles are a sturdy material. It can withstand flying debris, a common occurrence during a hurricane. Longevity. Investing in durable materials simply means that your roof will last longer, offering you a peace of mind, and of course it saves you money in the long run. Remember, if a hurricane strikes, your roof is the first line of defense. It's not a time to cut corners. Worst materials for hurricane climates. Okay, let's take a moment to talk about which materials you should completely avoid when it comes to hurricane climates. Wood shingles. Wood shingles are prone to moisture damage and can easily be blown away by strong winds. Low quality asphalt shingles. Thin or poorly made asphalt shingles may not withstand the force of a hurricane. Single-ply roofing materials such as TPO or PVC are not designed to handle the extreme conditions of a hurricane. Before we wrap up, just remember, investing in the right roofing materials can make all the difference. Cutting corners can really end up costing you a lot more if you actually invest with the right materials right off the bat. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. As always, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Of course, if you would like us to give you a roofing quote, a solar quote, or if you need new windows, because we do that too, click the description box below, or of course, you can go to our website. Thank you very much and have a good day.